Let's walk through what I call the thermal death spiral. This is exactly what happens when you put a sustained workload inside a sealed box. Imagine you're running a heavy inference load. Step 1, your GPU and CPU are producing massive heat continuously for hours on end without a single break. Step 2, because you chose a sealed case, that continuous heat gets trapped. It literally cannot exhaust fast enough. Step 3, the trapped heat acts like an oven, raising the baseline temperature of every single component inside the rig. And then step 4, this is the real kicker, the motherboard panics. Because the baseline temps are rising so fast, it forces every fan in the system to spin faster and faster to compensate. So that silent case you bought, it actually forces your high-power rig to become incredibly loud. A fan screaming at maximum RPM inside a sealed box is vastly louder than a fan barely spinning in an open one.
Section 1. The Mesh Advantage, and why Aries